In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Costco website to manage your membership online. We'll take it step by step to make it as easy as possible, so let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to open your web browser of choice and type in www.costco.com. This is the main homepage for Costco Wholesale, a place you're likely familiar with if you frequently shop there in person or online. Once you've got the page loaded up, it's time to look for the Account option, which you'll find near the top right of the home page. It's usually situated alongside other options like Cart and Order Status. Clicking on Account is your gateway to managing everything related to your Costco membership and personal preferences. Once you've clicked on Account, you'll be directed to a new page that offers several management options. What we're looking for here is Account Details. So go ahead and click on Account Details. This section contains all essential information about your membership, order history, and personal details that Costco keeps on file. Exploring this area can be very useful if you're looking to update any personal information or just want to see your purchase history. With account details open, the next task is to verify your membership. On this page, there should be an option labeled Verify Membership. Clicking this will prompt you to confirm your membership with Costco. It's a super important step, especially if you want to make any changes to your account or access member-exclusive offers. Here, you'll be asked to enter your membership number. Now, if for some reason you don't have your membership number at hand, perhaps because you've misplaced your card or are currently outside of the country, don't worry. Usually there are help options available on the website where you can contact Costco's customer service for assistance. They might be able to provide your number after verifying some other personal details or offer a temporary solution till you're back home. Once you type in your membership number and confirm, the site will likely guide you through any further verification processes needed. It's all very straightforward, and these steps should ensure your account is up to date and you're ready to take full advantage of all Costco has to offer. That wraps up our guide on managing your Costco membership online. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has made the process a lot clearer for you. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any further questions, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful guides. See you in our next video.